All right, hello everyone.
Hello, everyone.
So we're gonna do something a little different this time. So it is related to history, but I posted this on my just own Facebook on how to make a matzah omelet. We were making one. People asked, "How do you make that?" And of course, for Passover, Jewish people don't eat bread; they eat the matzah instead because the whole basic tradition is that the Jewish people had to get out of Egypt quickly, 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 and because of that, they didn't have time to let the bread rise. So we have matzah. And one of the favorite things I've had since I was a little kid was a matzah omelet. And so we taught my little daughter here how to make it as well. So here we go. All you need are a couple eggs, one matzah, 2 eggs. You could use, of course, more. For 2 eggs, I used one matzah, but you could add a little bit more if you want. A couple tablespoons milk. Okay. Then we add some salt, pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, whatever you like actually is fine. Super easy to make. You preheat the pan, use a nonstick spray. You just lay it all out on one side and you cook it for a few minutes, flip over the other side, and you enjoy it. You can, of course, put anything else you want in it, just like any other omelet. When it's done, it looks something like this. And how does it taste? Well, let's see.
What'd she say? This is the best omelet ever.
Is it? You like it? You like the matzah omelet? Oh.
What'd she say? This is the best omelet.
Yeah, that's right. So there you go. It's the best omelet ever, as a 5-year-old would tell you, so it's pretty good. It's pretty good, quick, simple to make. It's a nice little Passover tradition, at least in my family. And so if you want to make it, again, super easy. Give it a go. All right, everyone, something a little bit different. Hope you enjoyed that, and happy holidays. Bye.